Ito na isa-isa yung papasalamatan, pero since may reference about confusion, ito kasi si PJ, ako naman si Don PJ. So, okay na pero Sunlight kasi is about partnership. So, in fact, our tagline is Partners for Life. And in a way, this event is like a partnership. That's why hindi siya solitary journey. If you will notice, merong mga families to go together. May kids na ngayon, right now, sila naman yung nag-raise. Kasi we want everyone to take part in promoting healthier life. Kasi Sun Life, siguro in the past, you will reference Sun Life as life insurance, and then when you pass away, that's the only time that you can enjoy the benefit. Now, nagbago na siya. So, we have health insurance, and then you can even enjoy the living benefits, like you can earn money while you have your products with us. Pero this day is not about promoting our it's about living healthier life. That's why we're very, very thankful to Imos. And as Princess mentioned, matagal na yung partnership din natin, di ba? Kasi ganun kami. When our advocacies align together, like with Kyoto, 15 years, right? And then Vermont, pamilaga natin. So ganyan, pag pareho tayo ng advocacy, we want to work together because that is true partnership. That's what it's all about for us. So I hope you enjoyed the ride today, and we hope to see you again next year. We're coming back in the next.